Today we are doing a system review in Universe Sandbox where I'm going to be reviewing Universe Sandbox systems submitted by you guys. If you want to submit a system, join the Discord server. The link will be in the description. Our first system we are doing today is HOGSS, which is the Habitable and Overall Greater Solar System. Whoa. HOGSS is a simulation with 17 rocky planets and 10 gas giants, and apparently this is outdated, so this might not be 100% correct. So a total of 19 new planets. 20 of them are based on current or historical hypothetical planets. 5 are technically 7 when you count the 2 planets around Nemesis. Of them are just made for fun with no historical or modern hypothesis. Each rocky planet, dwarf planets, and major moons are habitable. Habitable, everything's habitable. It is a little laggy, but let's zoom out and see like what we're working with here. Cause like, oh look, there's nothing. But then we turn on like orbits. Whoa. We're gonna be reviewing a few different systems today. So I'm sorry, but we're not gonna be able to go through like everything in each system. We'll try to hit like the main planets and stuff. But yeah, like going through each object in here would take a long time. First up, we have Iapix. Iapix is a dwarf planet between the sun and Vulcan. What is Vulcan?
Hey Chip, I am not talking to Chad. I am not talking to YT. I'm talking to you. So if mosquitoes need blood to make babies, and that blood comes from me, am I the father of a mosquito?
No.
When you eat a donut, where does the hole go?
The hole isn't a physical thing. It's a... Where does it go? As soon as you take a bite, if the bite like goes into the middle, the hole ceases to exist. Where's Mercury for reference? Mercury's here. So look how much closer Iapix is. And very elliptical orbit. And habitable question mark? No. That's cool though. I like the design. And then next we have... This one's definitely habitable. It has a moon. It does. Oh, the moon's habitable too? Very impressive. 4%. I mean, percentage. 60% here. Vulcan was a hypothetical planet which was thought to explain the eccentricity of Mercury's orbit. So what actually was the reason for it? Because I remember learning about this. They thought it was another planet. So what was the actual cause? Does someone know? Relativity? Oh, was it relativity? I don't know. I'll have to learn more about it. And then Mercury, which is going to be habitable. Very cool. What's our life likelihood percentage? 14. But on Mercury, that's crazy. Average temperature is 19°C. Mercury got a moon. Is this habitable too? I think it's too small. Yeah. What is next? Minerva? This planet was never a hypothetical planet, it's just made for fun. It has a moon, which is also habitable. Minerva is the largest habitable planet and also the largest planet in the inner solar system. How big? 2.5 times the mass of Earth and 1.3 times the radius. So it's 33% bigger in volume. 87? I mean, I guess it's big, but I think I'm used to the new versions where getting something to be like high life likelihood is hard. I think it used to be a lot easier. As we go through these, pick your favorite and we will... Oh, there's lights on them. And we'll try to decide what the best object in this system is. Quirinus? I don't know how to say that. It has a moon. It represents the hypothetical planet that collided with Venus and reversed its rotation. That's cool lore. That's cool. I like this. One of the multiple explanations for why Venus's axial tilt is 177 degrees. What's our life likelihood here? This one's only 4%, but how's our size? Yeah, it's only 25% times the size of Earth. Thea, guess the life likelihood here. Thea is the planet in the giant impact hypothesis that impacted the Earth and created the moon. Yeah, we have the moon in the simulation. Is that a paradox? Our size is about half of Earth. It's a lot less dense though. I'm gonna guess 22.6. Someone said 67% and it got blocked. 65 almost. That's pretty high. I mean, I guess it's decently big. Usually if it's smaller, it's hard to get it habitable. And then Earth. Guess the life likelihood on Earth. Hey, Earth's flooded. It's a Universe Sandbox bug. The Earth got a second moon named Lilith. Lilith was a fictitious invisible moon of Earth claimed by astrologers. Ah, the moon is also habitable. I'm gonna guess 96. Nice. Oh, 96.4. I was within a percentage. And then the moon, is Lilith habitable too? This one is only 0.3. Still impressive to get something this small, even a little bit habitable. The moon has a submoon? Oh. I don't think this one's gonna have life because it's a submoon. But the moon has a little moon of the moon. There's a moon of a moon of a moon. What's the lore of this one? It's a planet between Earth and Juno. The names come from the Theban hero in Greek mythology. It's cool to use mythology for the names. Very small. What's our life likelihood? I'm gonna guess less than 1%. Oh, I was right. 0.1%. I knew it because it was so small. The ones that are so small are hard to get life likelihood on. Whoa, the clouds on this one I really like. Has a moon. Is this it? Yeah. I can't see anything. Maybe open your eyes. This one is, I mean, the mass is really low. Look, it's only 14% the mass of Earth, but it is half the size, so it's a lot less dense. What about its moon down here? Also potentially habitable, but also super small. I'm gonna guess less than 1% again on this one. 1.2. I was barely off. Next up is Mars. Always cool to see a terraform Mars, and this one looks very well done. What do you think the life likelihood is on Mars? I'm seeing a lot of 60s to 80s. I think that's probably right. I'm gonna guess 78. Oh, 67.9. Next up is Hercules, Heracles. I like the cloud pattern on this one. Wait, how is it 4% the mass of Earth, but 40% the radius? What's it made of? Silicate. Wait, doesn't that seem crazy? That means it's only, what, 10% as dense as Earth? Oh. Has 6 moons. That's cool. Next up is Phaeton. 10% the mass of Earth, 51% the size. What is this, like, ice line? It's a Universe Sandbox bug again. It kind of looks cool, though. Asteroid Belt is up next. I had a lot of asteroids. There's a lot more compared to any simulation made by the game dev. There is like 30 asteroids. Some are in the asteroid belt, while other outside. For major asteroids, we have Ceres, which is habitable. I don't know if I'm going to be able to find this, dude. I'm just going to go kind of to the main planets. Jupiter, nothing's changed except the Galilean moons of life, which is super cool. Okay, Io. Hey, editor, put a picture of what the moons usually look like so you can see how different they look terraformed. Io has a yellowish atmosphere. Oh, yeah, you can kind of see it. Wait, can we... I'm landing on it. Io was 4%. Here's Europa. Europa's a water world. Europa's an ocean world. Yeah, that makes sense. So maybe it's a little higher. 6%. Oh, 13%. That's a lot higher. Maybe there's life on Europa in real life, too. Like the Europa Clipper. When does it get there? 2030? Ganymede's the largest one, right? I believe so. 2.4 times the mass of Earth. 16! Impressive. 13 on Callisto. Also impressive. These look so different. All terraformed. And I assume we'll go to Saturn next. That, like, Titan is going to be terraformed. Whoa, look at all the moons.
Saturn was hard to make. You should put orbit for a second to see the amount of stuff. And I added 2 moons.
Oh, whoa. And then you go out and here's everything orbiting Saturn. I mean, you kind of see all the stuff in the background, but yeah, there. That's a good view of it. That's a lot of work. Uranus is here, and look at all those moons. That's cool. Are any of these moons habitable? Ariel is Umbriel, and Umbriel. 0.1%, but that's not 0. Umbriel is 0.1. I think these are all small, so they have less. Yeah, 0.3%, and Oberon's got 0.2 about. I live on Titan now. If you could go anywhere and like breathe the air, where would you go? Titan would be so cool because I think the view of Saturn would be so cool. Like you can't live on Saturn. So being on Titan and seeing Saturn in the sky super close would be amazing. Neptune, and I don't know which one of these are habitable, if any. Or Proteus. It's got city lights. Hey Nathan, how many people exist in this system? If all of these places have people on them, what's the total population? 92. Yep, that's it. There's just like 1 on each object. In the simulation, it's the year 2981. Do you guys think we could get our solar system to be this habitable in 900 years? I don't think so. Nope. There's more to see. What's this? Just a super far out gas giant? Are these habitable? No, but that would make sense that they're not. We are very far.
Chip, can you call me Baby Boo?
Nope. Sirius, these are different stars. Alpha Centauri this is the closest star system to us. Alpha Centauri and Proxima Centauri should be here too. And then we got Sirius A. Does this have planets? Oh, that's bright. Flashbang, sorry. And Sirius B. Very cool. Again. There's definitely more to see. I kind of just went through the main stuff. What's your guys' favorite object from it? I like Earth. Okay, basic. Yeah, I like Earth too, but I'm not going to say that. I like whatever moon we were looking at that was only 200 kilometers big. That was cool that it was habitable. This one looked cool on the Discord, the Hallin Prime system. The description says an epic looking system that uses realism to make very nice looking worlds. So the newer Universe Sandbox versions have better graphics, so this one should look really cool. Chip, are you the guy that bullied my kid? I can't see anything. Maybe open your eyes. Maybe. What did I do? Whoa. Yeah, we're definitely on the new update. For best looks, in view, find the perception, then go to brightness compression to human eye. Whoa. Have object scales realistic, then have particles that exaggerated. Okay. I did what it said to make it look the best possible. Oh, what's this? Please do not steal. Don't steal these guys. And it's way less laggy than the previous system. Brightness is set to human eye. So if it looks super bright, that means that you would burn your vision out looking at it. Whoa, this does look cool though. Like, that's pretty sick. And this is what it looks like normally. Are they all just gonna burn my eyes then? At least these close ones? Yeah. Oh, look, you can add stuff to the planets now. Very hot and torrid world that is very golden in color from the immense heat coming from the star. Yeah, I think it's a little hot there. 1700 Celsius. Are they just all on fire? I guess. No, look, they're sorted by color. Look. These ones are like bright orange. This one's like yellow because it's hot, but it's not as hot. And then as we get here, it's white. This looks cool. Okay, wait, this looks cool. I see the vision now. Wow, okay. I'm liking this a lot. And the ring particles, this is cool. This is like showing off the new graphics update. Like compare this to the last system we did, which was on the older update. The graphics, they definitely improved them. That's beautiful. KSP2 graphics, we don't mention KSP2 here. Here's our next one. They are all kind of on fire. Oh, this one is like the flat. They added this equatorial bulge. Is it because it's spinning super fast? Rotational period. Yeah, it's spinning very fast. This system looks super cool. Very good job, whoever made this. Cubic. VL Cubic. Can you land on it? Is this one's blue, so maybe this one's habitable? Dude, look how cool this looks. A super oceanic world. I don't know how to fix the odd visual bug with the space goggles on. Do I have space goggles on? Oh. But this is beautiful. Okay, guess the life likelihood. Is it over 50 or under 50? I know what it is. There's your stats, if you care. Most thought over. Okay, you're gonna be very surprised, because I was when I looked at it. It's 4.6% life likelihood on this. Very, very low. So congrats to people who voted low. Money. And there's a moon. Ooh, this looks cool. This is a super beautiful system. It's like less impressive in terms of like the objects built and like the detail that went into it, but visually this system's awesome. And that's a big thanks to Universe Sandbox being updated. What's your guys' favorite object from this system? I really like the one with the rings. Was that this one? No. Which one had the rings? This one. No. This one. No. Which one had rings? Am I tripping?
I like the oval gas giant a lot. It's cool that there is flattening in the modern updates.
I don't know where the rings went, but that was my favorite thing. That was super cool. A lot of objects here. I'm gonna kind of quickly go through them. Wait, dude, this looks so sick. Saveni is the closest planet to Gygan. Temperatures here reach a scorching max of 220 degrees Celsius, making it very uninhabitable. Ryvikia is a Venus-like planet with an atmosphere 109 times as thick as Earth, making the surface feel like a boiler from the amount of greenhouse effects. Home of it's Vilpecula. Vulpians. Dude. This looks awesome. Guess the life likelihood. Population of 4.3 billion spread across 57 countries. It has tech comparable to that of the 1990s. They're about as advanced as us. Like, yeah, we've made a lot of technological advancements since the 1990s, but like, not really. 80, 87, has to be 90. I'm gonna guess 80, 82, 97. They really got this one locked down. This is such a cool system. And let's look at the moon. Very, very cool. This one is Vazia. Also habitable. Sorry, I just kind of spoiled it. 95%. Nickname Cotton Candy. They speak English? Due to its pink atmosphere that makes it stand out in the night sky of other planets. Population of 5.4 billion spread across 96 countries. And they do know the existence of other life forms in the system thanks to their placement. So this planet knows about the people on this planet. But does Vilpecula know about them? If they have 1990s technology, they probably know. Is this also a planet with life? There's 3 life systems. Imagine they like team up. Do you think they would like have wars with each other? Or do you think they would be friendly? 82% life likelihood, very cool. They do know of other life forms. Their tech is somewhat futuristic, having been able to colonize their already habitable moon. 150 million living on this moon, which has a life likelihood of 57, pretty good. Time for the space war. And then there's Josephus is the last of the 4 Earth-like planets and the furthest of said planets from the star. 2.4 billion. They know of the existence of the other planets. However, they do not know of the existence of other life forms on them. It has 2 moons. Are either of these habitable? No, just smaller moons. Okay, those are the lifelike planets, and there's a big asteroid belt. Definitely check this one out. Look at this. Similar to that of Jupiter's size, higher in mass and is characterized by its baby blue coloring. Has 5 major moons. It has a habitable moon. How it formed is very unknown even to its population. Maybe it gained an atmosphere by taking some of the gases from Astraeus. Is that? Yeah, that's the gas giant's name. These are so cool. I mean, this is using a texture from something, I think, but just very cool. Looks like Sedna's texture. Yeah. Antimonium. Very, very cool. These are the moons of Astraeus. Very cool. This system looks awesome. Persephone. The bands on the gas giant, when they let you do custom ones, they look so cool. Are these supposed to be rings? They added a ton of moons. These aren't rings in the game. Like if I do trails instead, you'll see that those are all moons orbiting it, not actual rings. Last object. Oh, this looks so cool. Wait, this makes me want to like make a system. I haven't made a system in a while. I like this one a lot. What's your guys' favorite? I think this is my favorite gas giant in the system. This looks super cool. That's going to conclude our system review today. All of these will be linked in the description of the YouTube video. So will the Discord and the Twitch. You got to join the Discord to submit these and then come to the Twitch to watch me review them live or anything else I do live. Thanks for watching.